I was asked to explain how you might be able to repair a corrupt JPEG, this one. Normally, JPEG repair then requires a reference file, but the problem of the person who asked is that there are reference files, but they have a different resolution as the corrupt file, so that you get things like this. I select the header repair. This is the corrupt file, and this is a intact file, but it has a different resolution than the reference, than the corrupt file, and then you get something like this. Okay. Where if you would have had a matching resolution, you would get something like this. Okay, so now imagine we don't have the file with the correct resolution. What can we do? Then we can use the file with the wrong resolution, and then we get this. We did that a second ago. Now we can change this file into the correct resolution. So if we have a bunch of corrupt files, all with a resolution of say 44163312, and we only have a reference file with a resolution of 16001200, then we'll select one file that we're going to repair, and then we'll change the result of that repair into a file that we can use as a reference file. So this is the file that was repaired with the wrong resolution. Now I'm going to switch to the patch mode, and then I'm going to corrupt me one. I'm going to select this file. I'm going to click repair. Okay, so that now we opened it. And now we're going to edit the header of the file and tell it what the correct resolution is. Now, if we don't have any additional information, just two files, then we'll have to guess and use trial and error and experiment with different values. If we happen to know the resolutions that the camera can shoot in, we can just check those resolutions. So in this case, we know the camera produces, for example, a resolution 4416 times 3312. And we can just go to 4416. Every time we would change this would change. We can go to, there's going to be some noise now because somebody is entering the room. So I'm going to change this to 4416, like this. And then the height was 3312. I'm going to change that too. 3312, like so. Okay, and now we can save this 1 1 okay. And if we now take the original corrupt file, okay, and then as a reference file we give it 1 1 1, the one we just modified, then we can use it as a reference file. If you have 20 or 300 or corrupt files, you can do that in batch mode. So this is what you could do with if you only have a reference file that was shot with the same encoding settings but with the wrong resolution.